guys, today is week 5, day 5 of this wonderful, awesome journey and experience. Today, as I was doing the home workout, if you haven't already, check it out. Make sure you do it. Sore laughter, it's awesome. But as I was doing this workout, I noticed that the more we do something, the easier it becomes. The best exercise that you can do, or as we were talking about last week, movement that you can do, is the one that you enjoy. Now, there's multiple reasons why we enjoy certain exercises. Some, they just look cool, some are effective, some just come easier to you. But one particular thing that makes an exercise my favorite exercise is if it's something that I do for a while that gradually becomes easier. There's great power in repetition. If there's an exercise that's a bit challenging, but you know that it's effective and you know that it gives you results, the key is keep doing it. From that, two things will happen. A, either it'll become easier for you and you'll enjoy it, or B, you'll get better at an exercise that you don't like. That's perfectly fine. There's exercise that I'm good at that I don't like doing, even after doing it for a while, and so I don't do them that much. But if you find that you're practicing the exercise that you like, and you find that this exercise takes time to be able to do for an extended period of time, let's just say for 30 seconds, keep doing it, keep practicing it. 7 seconds. The next week you'll be able to do 10 seconds. The next week you'll be able to do 15, 20 seconds. Form and mold your own library of favorite exercises that you have, and that's when your own personal handbook, your own personal exercise journey beyond this program begins. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow. We're close to wrapping up week 5. Have a good one.